recent months, the premium motorcycle world has felt a bit quiet when it comes to major breakthroughs in BMW's six-cylinder touring lineup. But now, BMW Motorrad is back in the spotlight with the introduction of the BMW K18 Vision, a futuristic powerbagger concept that looks incredibly bold and unlike anything the brand has built before. Unveiled at the prestigious Concorso di Eleganza Villa d'Este, BMW describes the K18 Vision as simply a design study or a one-off concept project. However, judging by its level of detail and overall design direction, many believe this motorcycle could actually be an early glimpse of the next-generation successor to the BMW K1600. The biggest attention grabber is undoubtedly its massive 1,800 cubic centimeters inline-six engine, which serves as the heart of the machine. BMW didn't just drop a large engine into a futuristic body. They built the motorcycle's entire identity around it. The result is a powerbagger that looks long, aggressive, and highly dramatic, a sharp departure from the relaxed touring image traditionally associated with the K1600 family. Its design inspiration is even said to come from the legendary supersonic Concorde aircraft. This influence is evident in the bike's elongated, aerodynamic silhouette, paired with multiple six-themed design elements that pay tribute to its six-cylinder configuration. From 6 individual LED headlights at the front, to 6 air intake channels, and even 6 exhaust outlets. Everything is engineered to emphasize the identity of the engine itself. While models like the BMW K1600 GTL prioritize long-distance comfort and luxury touring, the K18 Vision moves in a much more emotional and character-driven direction. BMW aims to deliver performance that is not only felt while riding, but also visually expressed. And based on its appearance, that message comes across loud and clear. Although it remains a concept for now, one thing feels certain. BMW appears to be preparing a new chapter for its six-cylinder touring motorcycles. The question is, will the K18 Vision actually make it to production and become the successor to the K1600? If so, BMW could be preparing one of the wildest and most ambitious touring motorcycles ever built.